Hello everyone, today I will show you something very interesting. Cost me less than $100, but it's a must have for anyone who works or studies in university or so. It's a portable monitor, 15.6 inch and full HD, and there are multiple versions that they are roughly around $100 to $130 you can get from Amazon. All are similar quality, and last one I have used it for almost a year and it's very durable. So this one comes with a manual. The manual I generally look for if it has the 3 cables. That's the main thing I look for, and those ports and the buttons are pretty much similar for all those monitors, so not much to look at here. This one is actually pretty good. It compared to the other monitors I had, this one comes pretty good. This one tells you how to connect and stuff. All are good. Let's open up the monitor. Yep, very light, but well built. It comes with built-in stand that comes handy, especially when you are traveling. It's very handy for the person who work outside sometimes. First cable, mini HDMI, then USB-C to USB-C data cable, then USB to USB-C, mostly used for power cable. To test it out, I generally use my own USB-C to USB-C data cable I got from Amazon. This is a high-speed data cable and 2 meter long. And there are many ways to connect. The way I connect is connect my phone, which is Samsung phone. It has USB-C HDMI output. You can also connect from computer or other devices using HDMI too. But a USB-C to USB-C HDMI output works pretty well, very stable. All I have to do is to connect it, then unlock the phone and wait for a few seconds, and here it goes. Now to make it full screen, I have to open another window to make it full screen and put it in a horizontal mode, and here's the full screen. Yep, overall quality is very good, very smooth scrolling and full HD, so it's very well bright, everything. I told you the stand comes handy very well. Overall, it's pretty good monitor. Wherever I travel for work or for other things, I try to carry it. It's light, easy to carry, but I always carry it with my computer sleeve. So instead of carrying the whole laptop, phone, and a USB cable, and this monitor helps out a lot. Thank you, everyone. Talk to you next time.